Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2011 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cargo area light.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.